Beauty and the Beast and the Airtight Prenup. Okay. I've never got a whoop whoop. Are we? This is 1997. It's a 1997 thing. The new one is.
Kevin Hart.
What?
Kevin Hart. You didn't know that? Irresistible by Kevin Hart on Netflix. You're gonna love it.
I don't appreciate you referencing another comic and telling me they're special, and be like, you should listen to that and realize what really is funny. I understand you have glasses, but you're not smarter than me. Oh! All of a sudden, the four-eye community is better than me, huh? I love that this crowd's heckles are just sound effects. The next one's gonna be.